Hello everyone, today we are making Persian recipe thepla wrap which is stuffed with dal vada. So let's start making dal vada first. For that you need 1 cup chana dal, half cup moong dal, half cup urad dal. Soak it into a water for 4 to 5 hours. Drain all the water and put it on the cloth to dry it. Once it is dry, put it in the blender and now add salt, green chili powder, pepper, coriander seeds. Now semi churn it and give a shape of vadas. Make sure that your vadas are thin. Make all the vadas and deep fry them until golden brown. Your vadas are ready. Now let's wrap it to the thepla. For that, take one thepla and apply red chutney, which recipe is given in my previous video. On that, you have to add hung curd. Crush the vadas and put it on that. Top it with the homemade paneer and wrap it. Your wrap is ready. Thank you for watching.